Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide status and navigation bar on a Samsung Galaxy phone while taking screenshots. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the advanced features. Right here, just click on this option, and here you need to select the screenshots and screen recordings. Okay, and if you want to hide the status and navigation bar, you just need to click on the circle button to activate this feature. And now this feature has been activated, and after we activate this feature, the status and navigation bar will be hidden. And I'm going to show you. So I'm going to take a screenshot, for example. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. I'm gonna open my gallery, and wait guys. Okay, and this is the screenshot I have just taken with my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see that the navigation bar has been hidden. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide status and navigation bar on a Samsung while we are taking screenshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.